In this video, I will show you how to schedule a Google Meet using Google Calendar. So in this easy step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a Google Calendar event, add a Google Meet video meeting, choose a date and time, and how to invite other people to your meeting. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Google Calendar tutorials, Google Meet tips, productivity guides, and easy tech tutorials. Now, there's actually two ways you can do this. The first way is if you come across to google.com, log into your Google account, and next to your Google icon in the top right hand corner, you want to click onto the Google Apps icon. From here, just scroll down until you see Google Meet, give it a click, and that's going to take you across to your Google Meet page. Now, from here, you're going to see a new button at the bottom. Give that a click, that's going to open up some options, and from here, you're going to see the option to schedule in Google Calendar. So if you give that a click, that's going to open up your Google Calendar, and from here what you can do is add your meeting details. So you can add a title at the top. You can also come down and add things like the location and the time and date and how long the meeting's going to go on for. And if you come to the right hand side, you can see we've got a button to add guests as well. So you can click into here and just type the name of anyone you want to send an invite to. Once you click save, it's going to send your invites to that Google meeting. Now, another way to do this is if you actually come across directly to your Google Calendar. So again, what you want to do is come across to google.com, click onto Google Apps, and this time you want to click onto Calendar. So once you've done that, it's going to open up your Google Calendar. And from here, you can actually select the date from your calendar on the left-hand side. And then what you can do is click one of the time boxes that you want to set the Google Meet for. For example, let's go for 11 a.m. So I'm just going to click the box here. And what you can then do, you're going to get this window pop up. So you can just click add to Google Meet video conferencing, and then you can proceed to again add your title. So your meeting title, you can change the date and times, things like that. And again, you can add guests by clicking the link here. Now, once you've done that, just come down and click save. There's also a copy button here, which you can copy, and that's going to copy all the conference info. So if I open up a new notepad, what I'm going to do is just paste that into here. And you can see we've got all our information here, including the video call link, which we can of course send to anyone that we want to join our Google Meet. So that's how to schedule Google Meet using Google Calendar. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Calendar, Google Meet, and productivity tips. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.